Have you ever felt that sting, the kind that cuts deep, when someone betrays your trust, disrespects your boundaries, or tries to tear you down? It's human nature to want payback. The burning desire to prove them wrong, to make them regret ever crossing you. But what if revenge isn't about getting even at all? What if the most powerful form of revenge is no revenge at all? Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of the Stoics, ancient thinkers who mastered the art of mental resilience and emotional control. They taught that real power doesn't lie in retaliation or confrontation, but in something far more transformational. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take the pain you felt, the betrayal, the heartbreak, the anger, and turn it into something unstoppable. Not just survival, evolution. This isn't just philosophy, it's a strategy. And by the end of this video, those who wronged you, they won't even matter. Let's start with a weapon that's sharper than any words: indifference. When someone hurts you, they want your attention. They want your energy. They crave your reaction, because your reaction validates their power over you. But what happens when you stop reacting? Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Roman emperors and Stoic philosophers, said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." In other words, don't mirror their toxicity, transcend it. Walk away with your head held high, unaffected, unshaken. Indifference is not weakness. It's a bold declaration that their actions have no power over your inner peace. Picture this: they're spiraling in bitterness, expecting you to fight back, and you simply move on. That silence, that calm, that's power. The Stoics knew something modern minds often forget. Your life is your statement. Let your success echo louder than your anger ever could. Imagine the person who doubted you, who mocked your dreams, who thought you'd crumble under pressure, now watching you rise, watching you build, evolve, and thrive. You don't even have to say a word. Your growth is your response. Your success is the answer. They thought they were a roadblock. Turns out, they were just a detour on your path to something greater. So, keep building, keep growing. While they dwell in the past, you create a future so bright they're blinded by it. Life throws chaos your way. People lie, betray, disappoint. But here's the Stoic secret: you don't control the world. You control your response to it. Epictetus said it best: "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." That means every second you spend replaying the pain, obsessing over what they did, you're giving them space in your mind, rent-free. Take that space back. Channel that energy into yourself. Read, grow, move forward. Let the storm rage outside, but keep the inside calm. That's the kind of control they can never take from you. Anger feels powerful, but it's a chain. It ties you to what hurt you. The Stoics believed that freedom comes from emotional mastery. That doesn't mean you feel nothing. It means your emotions don't control you. It means you choose your response. Visualize this. You're standing in front of someone who once tried to destroy you, and you feel nothing. No hatred, no need to prove anything, just calm, stillness, power. Your silence, it speaks volumes. The less you care, the stronger you become. You become unshakable. And that's a form of revenge they never expected. The ultimate Stoic revenge. A life so full, so joyful, so purpose-driven, that the people who tried to break you become irrelevant. They were hoping you'd crash, burn, fall apart. But instead, you rise. You build a life so rich with meaning and peace that they become nothing more than a footnote in your story. Not only do you move on, you rise so far above their reach, they can't even touch the life you've created. And here's the most profound truth: the best revenge isn't loud. It isn't a clapback. It's peace. True peace. When you stop caring about what they did, when their name no longer stirs any emotion in you, that's when you've won. That's when they lose, because the moment you stop playing their game, they have no power. The scoreboard resets, and guess what? You're already ahead. Now let me ask you, have you ever been betrayed or hurt so deeply you wanted revenge? What did you do instead? How did you rise above it? Drop your story in the comments. I read every single one. And if this video gave you strength, if it helped shift your perspective even just a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Because what's coming next, you won't want to miss it. Stay strong, stay focused, stay stoic.